Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G 2025 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let's start with the one which is the most interesting, I believe. It is *pound *pound 2486 pound *. And here we are in the tests, in the kind of testing mode, let's say. Of course, give all the permissions. And here, okay, let me just change the brightness or anything. So here you can check your device. So basically all of the components of it. So for example, here you can check the touch screen, for example, diagonal. Basically all you have to do is to just put your finger on the circle and then draw it across the screen, and thanks to it you can check whether all of the touching options are working perfectly fine. So basically you can check the components of your device and decide whether everything is all right with them. So I highly recommend to check this this code and basically just have fun with your device. All right, another code is *pound 06 pound, and this one will show us device information including IMEI and serial number. Tap on OK, and another code *pound 225 pound *, and here we are in the calendar information. Usually you will be able to check the family events, holidays in your country, or events attached to your mail. For some reason I do not have mine here. Another code is *pound 426 pound *, and here we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host port, time connected, tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3 dots icon, you can show advanced view, just tap on it and tap on the status, and you've got much more information. What is more, you will have more info if you will have the internet connection. I do not have one right now. And the last code, which is *pound 4636 pound *. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. Obviously I do not have the internet connection, so I will not be able to check the information about the network, so for example SSID or network ID. You can run ping tests also here. Here we've got also the phone information, so the info just like the phone number and data network type, voice service, or signal strength. You can also run ping tests here. Of course you will have those information if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, so that's why I do not have those information here. You can tap on the 3 dots icon and, for example, view service dialing numbers or enable data connection. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.